So welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title down below, my baby is going to go meet his father. So we are packing for Jamaica. So I'm going to show parents how to pack for an infant when you're traveling out of the country, or when you are just traveling, and an effective way to pack for a baby. So, and I have these bags on Amazon where they say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And with these bags, you can pretty much just kind of like lay out how much you need so that you're not overpacking. Well, there's no such thing as overpacking for a baby or for yourself, I mean, in my opinion. But it just helps you just make sure you have everything that you need in your little like Monday through Sunday bags. So I got these bags, and it's going to probably look a little choppy because, for one, it's a process. We leave in like 4 to 5 days, so I know I have to just document everything one day at a time, and I can't do everything in one day. So if you see me in different clothes, just know that it's because, don't mind my little shaper. I'm what, 8 weeks almost postpartum, so got my little shaper. But first thing I'm gonna start out by doing is I have his dirty clothes right here. I'll put everything in here because he's been having like some skin things going on with like cradle cap on the face and other stuff that I want to talk about in another video coming up soon. But I have all his clothes that I'm going to wash. I use all free and clear because I believe like the Dreft and the all scented with the baby little scent is just not working for him. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put these clothes in the washer, and then I'll be back once they dry, and then we'll just go through the whole process of how I'm going to pack, because I have to pack his blankets. You just have to make sure you have enough blankets, enough birth cloths, because we're going to be there for some time and we don't know when we're coming back. I'm going to just pack everything that I need, every single thing, even if I don't probably need it. So his towels, his washcloths, all of his sleepers. He's going to be in Jamaica, so it's really hot, so he might not need his long sleepers, but for when I'm just still going to bring some just in case, because sometimes it can be cold in the house. So yeah, so let's go and get my baby clothes washed. It's a lot because, like I said, I'm transitioning over in from like Dreft stuff, so I just put everything in there to just wash it so it can be clean. I have put everything down. So this is like the clean pal, towels, washcloths, blankets, onesies. I put everything in an area, so I'm gonna start washing. Like I told you, I have on a shaper. I'm postpartum, so I'm about to start washing, making sure I put everything together. I told y'all I'll come back when I'm done washing, but I want y'all to see the process of how like I have everything set up and it's placed. And yeah, we're about to do that. So I'm about to start taking the stuff to the washer, putting it in the washer, and yeah, that's what I'm about to do. He's kind of growing out of the newborn, but he can still fit it a little bit. So I'm about to start using these Monday through Sunday baggies. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm about to do with all of the clean clothes, making sure that I need to make sure everything is cleaned in the all, I believe so. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, about to start doing that.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes. I try to treat you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall.
I made some cereal. I just want to pack properly for him because I don't want to leave anything. Also, like one of my homegirls there just recently had a baby, so I want to ask her, does she want some of the things that he can't fit anymore? Because I think her baby, I know her baby will be able to fit him, so we'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm almost like done with the washing. The 5 outfits and 1 bag. I'm thinking about when I wipe him off in the morning, outfit in the morning, throughout the day, maybe a blowout. So like 5 outfits in each bag. I also have to pack like his medicines. I'm gonna try to see if I can bring some of his little bouncers and like things that he likes to play in. His boppy, his bathtub, little flower to play him in his thing. So yeah, we'll figure this out. It's a little intermission right now. I had to get me some cereal because I'm kind of hungry, but we almost done with the first part. Okay, y'all, so it's another day, but this is like this part. Okay, y'all, so it's another day, but I want to share what I did to the clothes. So I put them in these little baggies that has, like I told y'all, and I put like 5 to 6 outfits in each one. And then I have the diapers like this, put it in there on my phone. But y'all, I told myself if I do not record today, I am going to continue to put this off, put it off, and never post ever again. So this is my way of getting back out, so just have grace with me. But in this video, you all were able to see pretty much how I packed me and my baby up and went to Jamaica to go and meet his father. When I got there, I didn't get much footage. I'm sorry, y'all. I've just been trying to adjust to mom life, trying to adjust to solo parenting from time to time, and just trying to keep my mental at a good place. So I'm sorry if the vlog was all over the place. I am trying my best, especially like I told y'all, just to put myself back out here. I hope it was helpful, and I will start back coming on this channel. I wanted to just get myself out of that like funk of like, oh my god, I'm a mom now, I can't do so many things at once, but I can. So this is my way of showing myself that I can do it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you are considering traveling with a baby, he was 2 months at that time, and he was so great on the plane. Didn't cry there, coming back. He was amazing. Everything that I packed, it was perfect. Those bags were perfect. I didn't show like the medicine and stuff that I packed, but I had like a medicine bag in one of those. I made a sock bag, a mitten bag, because he was scratching his face, you know, during that time. Now he's 6 months, so. But yeah, y'all, I will be back. I'm sorry for my distance. I really didn't know how hard it truly is to keep up with content after having a baby and you're doing a lot of things on your own. You know, I have a great support system with my family, but it's just a lot to get adjusted to. So bear with me. I'm coming back on this page. I'm not making any empty promises. If you have subscribed while I was away, thank you, and I hope you continue to follow the journey. I will make some more updated like videos. Let me know what y'all want to see. And your girl is out. I'm back. The next video you all will see is an update on my life. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.